Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to forcefully close any open software which are not responding. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you the 3 ways how to do it. So the first step, so let me open one application. Say I'm opening Notepad. Suppose sometimes what happens when you click on the close, as you can see on the right top corner, when you click on this close, sometimes the programs or the software does not shut down. So for this, the first way how you can forcefully close is you need to press in your computer keyboard Alt and F4. So in this way you can close it very easily, that is you can force close it. And the second method, suppose what you need to do is in your computer keyboard again you need to press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager. Now on the task manager you need to select the application which is not shutting down or which you are unable to close. So say in my case a Notepad, just select it and click on this and task, then it will get forcefully closed. And again we'll open it again. And the third thing what you can do is using your command prompt. So for this you need to press Win plus R on your computer keyboard to open the run, and you need to type CMD as you can see here and click OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now here what you need to type is just type task kill, hit space slash capital I capital M space. Now your software name is Notepad which is not responding, then just type notepad.exe and now you have typed. After typing, hit enter, your program will get closed automatically. So in this way you can forcefully close any open softwares which are not responding very easily in your Windows computer. So if you have never known this cool tricks, then try it out by today, and I'm sure it will help you in some day, because in day-to-day life uses sometimes 1 or 2 softwares stops responding and we are unable to close those softwares. So in this way you can close any open software, those which are not responding. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.